Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or discussing with you, how to use Spicy Cubes Intimacy Wellness Gummies. Now, you might be wondering what is the Spicy Cubes that maybe you may be hearing online, and what does it actually do, and how do you exactly use it. So the Spicy Cubes, or Spicy Cubes here, is a vegan gummy marketed for couples as an intimacy and mood support product, positioned as an aphrodisiac formula rather than a standard daily supplement. Now, the gummies are peach flavored and coated in chili powder. Listed ingredients include Muira puama bark extract, maca root, epimedium, which is just ornigo weed, and chili pepper. Now, the site states here that the product contains no illicit substance and is manufactured in an FDA registered facility in Daytona Beach, Florida. Now, how do you exactly use these gummies? So the site directs one serving per person, take about 30 minutes before intimacy, with effects described as lasting up to 3 hours. Now, as for the pricing here, a single box is listed at around 29.99 USD or dollars here, which again in some cases may go down to up to $23.99 depending on when you're viewing the website. A 2 box bundle is described as a buy one get one 50% off at $29.49. So in this case, at like 24.49 per box, total of like 59.98 total. In a larger 4 box plus two free bundle at 19.99 per box, totaling of $179.94. Now, US shipping here is a flat 4.90 rate with free shipping unlocking once a cart totals for $50 or more. International shipping is calculated at checkout, and the site states there's no subscription tied to this particular product. It's a one-time purchase thing, and order ship is discreet, unbranded packaging, and it comes with a 30-day satisfaction guarantee starting from the delivery date. And returns require emailing and company first for approval before sending anything back. But that's about it. So, found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.